Continuing blackouts in Venezuela have citizens scrambling for clean water. Reports Saturday detail the situation in Maracaibo, where rolling outages in Venezuela's second-largest city have forced people to seek water sources wherever they can. People collect fresh water from broken pipelines near a shantytown in Maracaibo, Venezuela, Saturday, April 13, 2019. Since a massive power failure struck on March 7, the nation has experienced near-daily blackouts and a breakdown in critical services such as running water and public transportation. AP photo/Fernando Lano. After a nationwide blackout in March, the government started hiring tanker trucks to deliver water to neighborhoods, but community leaders say this isn't reliable. While many get their water from these trucks, some still don't trust the quality of the water for every use. Reports said many residents only have about 4 hours of electricity per day. The ongoing power crisis highlights the political struggle in the country, as self-declared interim President Juan Guaido is slated to visit with supporters in Maracaibo Saturday. Topics: Maracaibo President Juan Guaido, Venezuela.